Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we break down the charts every single day. So if you like money and you like crypto, make sure to smash that like button. Now let's get into the charts. But before we do, I just want to go back to my video from yesterday. Looking to get that move down to at least the bottom of this sideways range here before potentially bouncing around and then making a lower low. Alright guys, so that was my video that I made yesterday. Now, we actually had price play out exactly as I predicted. So we got rejected at my blue box and we ended up coming down to the low of this range and breaking through into my blue box. So we literally nailed that trade spot on. But where are we looking for price to go from here? Well, we can actually see this blue box is actually a very key level of resistance. Support. We had resistance here, and now this level is flipped into support. So you never want to get bearish at the lows of a range. You always want to long the lows and short the highs. So right now we're actually at a low, so we're looking for a move back up to the high of this range. And I've actually entered into a long position myself. Now, we can actually see these hammer candles here. These are actually quite bullish handles because it means we have a lot of buying pressure down here. And we had that big move down, but it got bought up straight away, which is very bullish for the markets. Now, one thing I want to point out, if we actually go to the 4-hour time frame, we're actually printing some really bullish signals here. So we're actually about to print. I hope I draw this right. I might need to make this a little bit bigger. Just give me one sec. Right. So we're actually printing a bullish divergence here, guys, where the price action is actually going lower, but our momentum wave is actually getting higher. This is a very bullish signal. Now, bullish divergence is probably one of the best signals you could look for when looking for a bottom. So the fact that we actually have come down into a key level of support and we're now printing a bullish divergence on our 4-hour time frame, I am actually expecting a big move to the upside. Now, we haven't officially printed the green dot yet, but I do like to front run these signals because if we actually go to the 3-hour time frame, we have actually in fact printed that green dot, and we know that the 3-hour time frame will actually flow over into the 4-hour time frame. So we can actually expect that green dot to print very soon. As we can see, our VWAP is almost at the 0 line and is about to print that green dot. So you never want to get bearish at the lows. You always want to, especially when you have these signals, you always want to be looking for longs. Now, if we actually pull up our Bollinger Bands, we can actually see that we actually got outside of the Bollinger Bands and we've only just got back in. Now, you always want to look for longs at the bottom and shorts at the top, because you can actually see how price likes to bounce off of this levels. We came outside here, price went up. Came outside here, price went up. Came to the bottom here, price went up. So price action loves to bounce off of these Bollinger Bands. So it's a really good sign that we should be looking for longs and also shorts whenever we're at the top. So I'm actually expecting quite a big move up. So I have entered into a long position currently with my stop loss just below that last wick there. Because if we do actually end up coming down, which I do think is unlikely, but if that does happen and we make a lower low, that's actually quite bearish and we can expect the price to probably continue down. But as long as we can hold this level right here, I am expecting us to get a move to the upside to at least probably the bottom of this range, potentially all the way up to my blue box here. So I'm expecting quite a big move to the upside. And that's all I've got for today, guys. If you liked that video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.